Hi guys, I ordered a spare remote from eBay for my Ford Falcon Ba, and today I'm going to show you all what's involved with programming a new remote and the old remote to the Ford Falcon Ba. And there's not a lot involved, guys. Just make sure that your doors are locked to begin with. Grab your key, pop it into the ignition barrel, turn it to the first accessories position, press your demister button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, pause, and press any button on the old remote, and then any button on the new remote, and that's it. You can go turn off and remove your key. You can go and test everything. So right now the doors are locked. Let's go unlock on the new one. Perfect. And then go and press lock on the old one. Perfect. And everything's working. So guys, I hope that video helped. And again, to go and save yourselves money. You don't need to go and buy any fancy ones from the dealer. You can go and get the cheap ones and they'll still work perfectly fine. As always, guys, flick something for luck. Cheers, guys. Catch you guys next time.